Now, the externalities. In this part, we will study market failure caused by externalities. An externalities is said to occur when action of an individual or a firm produces benefit or cost that affect member of the society. But these cost and benefit are not taken into consideration by this firm or an individual. An externality is what someone external to the decision is affected. Someone make the decision and someone external to that decision is affected. The externalities can be beneficial or harmful depending upon whether it imposes benefit or cost on the member of the society. If it is going to impose benefit, then we will say it is positive externalities. But if it is results in some cost on the society, then it will be called as a negative externalities. Externalities can occur in consumption or in production. There are 4 types of externalities: negative production externalities, positive production externalities, negative consumption externalities, and positive consumption externalities. Now, negative externalities initiated in production which imposes an external cost. As the name suggests, a negative production externalities. It means that आप कुछ produce कर रहे हो जिसकी वजह से society is bearing certain cost. That is called as a negative production externalities. And that affects either the consumption or the production of the society. Since you have produced something and your production activity has affected the consumption activity or the production activity of the society, so it is negative production externality which is hampering the consumption or the production. Suppose when a factory owner produces dyes, the colors which is used in coloring the clothes, and discharge the untreated wastewater into the nearby river that pollute the water, causing health hazards for people who uses the water for drinking and bathing. So it is hampering the consumption of the people who are living by in the nearby the area of that river and using that river water for drinking purposes. So this is hampering the consumption. Whereas a fisherman who used to catch fishes from the same river, due to pollution in the river, the fish production is hampered. Therefore, the fish output is not as much available as was earlier. So there's a loss in the fish resources. This is negative production externality, but it is hampering the production. Now, it is very difficult to know the magnitude of externalities. How much loss it has been caused to the society, we cannot measure the cost. So in that situation, the government put the taxes and tries to subsidize the loss to the society. So this way it can hamper the society resources as well. Now the positive production externality. Positive production externality means that you have produced something which results in benefit to the society. This is going to improve the production of the society or improve the consumption of the society. So production has done by a firm and someone external is enjoying the benefits. Suppose a firm train their employees फॉर बेटर मैन पावर, उनको हम कुछ अच्छी ट्रेनिंग करा देते हैं जिसकी वजह से कल को अगर वो किसी और एम्प्लॉयर के पास जाके भी काम करते हैं तो वो एम्प्लॉयर उनके एनहांस्ड स्किल को एंजॉय कर पाएगा. तो प्रोड्यूस किया आपने लेकिन बेनिफिट कोई और इस्तेमाल करेगा. ठीक इसी तरीके से सपोज हम आपको पढ़ाते हैं, आप कल को जाकर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बनेंगे, आप सोसाइटी की मदद करेंगे, तो वी हैव प्रोड्यूस्ड बट द सोसाइटी इज रीपिंग द बेनिफिट. This is what we called as positive production externality, but it is benefiting the production of the society. Similarly, there's a one more example. A beekeeper, एक मधुमक्खी पालन वाला व्यक्ति जो है ऑरेंजेस के खेतों में अपना मधुमक्खी पालन का काम करता है. तो जब वो ऐसा करेगा तो जो बीज वहाँ रहती हैं जिनको वहाँ पर रेयर किया जाता है, they carry the pollen grains and take it to the different places and which help in pollination of the oranges, which is going to improve the production of the oranges also. So in this way it is helping the production of the oranges. This is again another example of positive production externality. Now the positive production externality किस तरीके से कंजम्पशन को प्रभावित करता है. सपोज एक इंडिविजुअल व्यक्ति है जो अपने गार्डन को रेयर करता है, बड़ा अच्छा सुंदर सा गार्डन बनाता है, और नाउ जो भी उस गार्डन के पास से गुजरता है उसको बहुत अच्छा लगता है उसके गार्डन को देख करके. सो दिस वे उसके गार्डन को देख करके उसको बहुत अच्छा लगता है, तो उस कंजम्पशन बेहतर हो गया. तो इस तरीके से प्रोडक्शन, पॉजिटिव प्रोडक्शन एक्सटर्नलिटी जो है वो हमारे कंजम्पशन को भी प्रभावित कर सकता है. ठीक है. इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट वी विल स्टडी अबाउट द नेगेटिव कंजम्पशन एक्सटर्नलिटी एंड पॉजिटिव कंजम्पशन एक्सटर्नलिटी.